Do you have a stage fear? And do you think that you are the only one who has stage fear? Well, you are not alone. We all have experienced stage fear at least once in our lifetime. And some people have experienced it many times. I'm one of them. Hey there, I'm Nancy Shah. I'm a trainer, public speaker, anchor, voiceover artist and founder of Speakers Circle. We started this initiative to help people improve their public speaking skills. We conduct our interventions online and you can also be part of it. All you need to do is fill up a Google form. You'll find the link of the form in the description. Well, in today's video, I'm going to give you a good news. And the good news is you can overcome your stage fear gradually. And today we are going to discuss different ways how you can do it. So let's get started. Before you watch this video, I want to give you one disclaimer. If you feel that after watching this video you will have 100% confidence and you will not have stage fear at all, well, that's not going to happen. You will still have stage fear. All we are trying to do is reduce it, but it can never be zero. Why? I would say a little stage fear is required also, because that motivates you, that makes you excited about it, and also that makes you prepare. If you are 100% confident, then that's the overconfidence. And we don't want to be overconfident. So little fear will still be there. It's all that you should be able to still go ahead and do it. So here are the few things that we want to suggest you. The first and the most important thing to overcome your stage fear is to accept your nervousness. Accept that you're having this stage fear. If you deny it, that okay, I don't feel anything like it and I'm all fine and all good, and if you just fake it for that matter, you'll be never able to improve it, because you cannot really change anything if you don't accept it. So first, accept your nervousness and accept that you're having a stage fear. The second way to deal with it: fake it till you make it. Wear a smiling mask. No matter what you're feeling inside, tell yourself all is well and just present yourself well. The key is that your audience should not get to know about your nervousness. You might feel it inside, but that should not come on your face. Work upon your body language. Your audience can only see what you represent through your body language. They can't see what happens inside you. So if you just have good gestures, postures, eye contact, facial expression, and you're confident enough in your body language, you'll be able to fake it. Well, we have created so many videos on body language. You can check out our YouTube channel and just scroll this page. You'll find all the details there. Majority of people have stage fear because they really are afraid of forgetting their lines and going blank. To avoid all the situations, better you use cue cards or the point cards. We have already created one video where we have explained how you can create and use cue cards. You'll find the link of that video in the description. Just check it out. If you ask me what is the best way to overcome stage fear, my answer is with these 3 words: prepare, prepare, prepare. And that's the fourth way how you can overcome stage fear. Prepare so much that you have no scope of failing. Create your cue cards, practice your speech 10 times, rehearse it as much as possible, and then go on stage and speak. There's only one way you can overcome it: by knowing it 100%. So if you know what you're going to talk, your fear will reduce automatically. So you need to know your talk. So practice as many times as you can, create your cue cards, rehearse well, and then go and speak. Never give up. No matter what you feel, how many times you fail, no matter how bad your talks might be, but still you need to continue. It's a gradual process. You can't expect yourself to just overcome stage fear in one talk. You have to do it 10 times, 100 times, 1,000 times, till the time you are comfortable with it and you start loving it. And I'm sure you will reach at one point very soon where you will start enjoying it. So wait till then and keep practicing and doing it again and again. So all I can tell you is, it will never work completely for the first time. You need to keep trying. Winners continue and losers stop. You need to be the winner and continue with your journey with public speaking. Well, that's all for this video. I hope this might be helpful to you. If you have any questions, queries, or if you want to share anything, you can share it with us in the comment section. And note that we have created so many other videos regarding public speaking. If you want to receive more updates like this, do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.